Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty shoes, and this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, Euro size 44, and it's in the university blue, white, light crimson, black colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the Hello Kitty decorated packing paper. And there is that inner packing paper, and peeling that back to reveal the Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty. And let's lift out the left shoe first. And taking a close-up look. And of course, that 360 look as well. So you have a full and complete look at this Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty shoe in the university blue, white, light crimson, black colorway. And taking some close-up looks, we can see that it does have a clear front tip or mudguard with a glossy finish, and of course the very prominent university blue soft elasticated mesh upper cover with the Hello Kitty print right around and throughout the upper cover. And of course at the back we can see that there is the Hello Kitty face making up the heel counter, and of course with that very prominent red bow as well. And on the inner side you can see the Nike Air Presto branding molded into that TPU or thermoplastic urethane finger cage around the heel and midfoot area. And continuing further and back towards the front, and right round again. And around the full midsole we can see the black Nike swoosh along with the 5 dots representing the Nike Alpha project. And taking a quick look on the underside of the sole, we can see that it does have those black rubber blocks and flex screws or channels. And now taking a look from the front or tip of the shoe all the way towards the back. Once again we see that glossy, clear or transparent TPU tip and mudguard. And of course the Hello Kitty detailing around that white Nike embroidered swoosh. And as we move towards the midfoot area, we can see that the aglets for the laces are in red, And on the tongue, we can see that red bow. Which feels like it is made out of soft plastic. And moving towards the rear or heel area, you can see the soft plastic heel tab, and of course giving you an overall look at the sock-like upper mesh cover of this Nike Air Presto Cross Hello Kitty. And to give you some idea of the material and inside and lining of this Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty, giving you some sense of the stretchiness of that upper and the inner details as well. So taking a look at the inside lining, we can see that it does have a satin-like finish. And also some cartoon detailing with the Nike swoosh with a red bow on top of it and resting on a cloud. And of course we see a rainbow, a four-colored rainbow. And the inner details as well with the labels. And of course the lining details and overall construction of this Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty. And to give you some sense of the midfoot or midsole material, which is foam, just pressing down on the sides of the midsole to give you some sense of that soft and lightweight foam, having two properties there. Much softer one above this separation and a slightly firmer foam on the heel area, and of course containing the Nike Air cushioning unit as well. So giving you an overall look once again, and the different materials making up this shoe, and of course the TPU cage around the midfoot and extending towards the heel and heel counter area. And now let's take a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe. So having a black rubber traction pattern, and of course those flex grooves or channels. And to give you some sense of the overall rigidity or firmness of the various materials or parts or sections of the sole. So having a Duralon branding right there. And the red Nike Air and BRS 1000. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the pliability and response of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe back down and to the side, and bringing the shoebox back in frame. And lifting out the right shoe. We can close the box back up and setting it once again to the side and giving you a look at the right shoe of the Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty. And just readjusting the background with the left shoe. Let's do a 360 rotation so we can take a full and clear look at this side of the pair. And taking some close-up looks, this time of course with this side. Once again we see the Hello Kitty details and face right across and around the upper of this sock-like soft upper of the shoe, and of course the other details with the TPU cage and the white laces having the red tipped aglets. And that clear and glossy TPU shoe tip or toe tip. And of course, that black rubber sole with those chunky rectangular thread blocks for its traction pattern. And of course, those contoured flex screws as well. And from the back we can see that this side also does have that Hello Kitty face with that red bow at the top by the ears. So giving you some sense of the soft and stretchy mesh upper of the shoe, and of course taking a look on the inside as well. So this time around we can see much more clearly with this side of the shoe having that similar cloud with a Nike swoosh and red bow on top of it, and of course the quad colored rainbow. And of course some greenery and trees. On that sock liner. Now let's take a look at the pair together, side by side. And from the front to the back. and directly from the back. And of course, the underside or soles. So that's Nike Air Presto X Hello Kitty. Thanks for watching and happy walking!